In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code for a YouTube video. You don't need any third-party apps or websites. This process is easy and can be done with the built-in tools on your device. With just a few simple steps, you can have your own QR code ready to share. First things first, grab your iPhone and open up the YouTube mobile app. Once you're in, navigate through the app to find the specific video that you want to create a QR code for. After locating your desired video, tap on it to open it up. Now, take a look beneath the video where you'll see various options. Tap on the Share button, located just below the video player. This will bring up several sharing options. For our purpose, we need to copy the link. Select Copy Link. This action copies the URL of that exact YouTube video directly to your clipboard. Now that you have this link saved, it's time to exit out of the YouTube app. Next, locate and open up the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't already have this app installed, head over to the Apple App Store and download it. It's free. Once inside Shortcuts, look for a plus button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that. This will allow you to create a new shortcut. Now, tap on the search bar and type in Generate QR Code. Hit Search. Select Generate QR Code from your search results. In this next step, tap where it says Text. Here's where you'll paste in that YouTube video link you copied earlier. Simply press down in this area until you see Paste appear, then tap it. Once you've pasted your link into place, go ahead and tap Done. Now, tap on this button at the bottom right corner. This action generates your very own QR code based on that YouTube video link. With your QR code generated successfully, now it's time to share it with others. Tap on the Share button. You'll see multiple sharing options pop up here. If you'd rather save it for later use instead of sharing immediately, simply tap Save Image. This will store your newly created QR code directly into your Photos app. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a QR code for any YouTube video using just an iPhone. Now anyone can scan this code with their device's camera and access your content instantly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.